got a 2017 Jeep Cherokee remote fob here. I'm gonna show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, now, this is the one that has the turny key. Okay, I'm gonna take the emergency key out of the bottom first, slide the switch over to the right with your thumb, and you can pull the emergency key out. Now with the emergency key out, it gives us access to be able to split the remote open. Okay, so get yourself a flathead screwdriver, put it in here like this. Just do something like this. There's a little lip right here, and you can pop the remote open. Okay. And once you get it open, here's the battery. Go ahead and push it up like this, get it around this rubber, and then we can slide it out like so. Okay, I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing out towards us. Slide the new one in the little holder like that. Put the rubber back in. I have a link down in the description box, takes you to Amazon. If you need to pick up one of these batteries, you can just check that out. They're like $2.25, so not too bad, and you get it with Prime. It might be easier if we just go ahead and flip it over and stick the whole little rubber piece in the circuit board on the back of it like that. Let me just come over here and just click this together. What we gotta do is smash it together like that. Okay, and then put the emergency key back in, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me.